Good morning children. Today we are going to learn about living things and non-living things. When you go out of your house, we can observe so many things. Which type of things you observe? Cars, buses, chairs, plants, birds and some animals like cows, dogs, cats. These all things are different from each other. Some things will move, some things will make sound, some things cannot move from their place. So, these all things are divided into two types. Natural things and man-made things. What are natural things? The things which created by nature are called natural things. The things which created by nature are called natural things. What are those things? Have you observed any things like that? Yes, plants, air, water, animals, soil, rocks, mountains. These all are the natural things. Those things are created by the nature. That's why we call them as natural things. What are the examples? Air, water, plants, animals and so on. And next one, what are man-made things? The things which made by man, which created by man, which prepared by man are called man-made things. The things which made by man are called man-made things. What are the examples of the man-made things? Once you look around, what are the things you observed? TV, table, pen, wall, water bottle, DVD player, refrigerator, radio. These all are the things which made by man. So, these all things we called as man-made things. These natural things contains both living things and non-living things. But all man-made things are non-living things. What are these living and non-living things? What are the differences between the living things and non-living things? Once look into this. So, living things. What are living things? The things which have life in them are called living things. What are living things? The things which have life in them are called living things. What are the examples of the living things? Plants, birds and animals. So these things are called as living things. They have life. And what are non-living things? The things which don't have life. The things which don't have life are called non-living things. What are the examples of the non-living things? Book, pencil, bag, wall, pad and so on. These all are non-living things. They don't have life in them. Living things means they have life. Non-living things means they do not have life. This is the chart piece. Is it living thing or non-living thing? It is a non-living thing. Here you can see the dog. Is it living thing or non-living thing? Living thing. So it is a non-living thing and dog is the living thing. How can you say that it is a non-living thing and dog is the living thing? Here some characteristic features are there to differentiate the living things from the non-living things. So what is the first feature of living things and non-living things? Living things can grow. Dog is there, will it grow or not? It will grow. After some days, it will grow in height. It increases its body, And if you take this chalk piece, after 1 year, will it grow? No. Not only after a year, after 1 year, after 2 years also, it will be like that only, it cannot grow. And dog will move. Dog will move from one place to another place by its own. If you take this chalk piece, will it move? It will move with the help of any other. If I carry this chalk piece from there, that place to here means it will move. On its own, it cannot move. But dog, it can. And chalk piece do not need food. Will it need food? Are you feeding the chalk piece? No. But dog need food to grow and survive. And it do not have any feelings. If I break, it don't feel. It do not get any feel. But if I beat the dog, will it bark or not? It shows the response to that. And dog will die after some time, after some years. Will it die? No. So based on these, living things are different from the non-living things. And dog produces the puppies. Will it produce? If you store this one in any place, will it produce any other chalk pieces? No. So it cannot reproduce. Dog can reproduce. Based on these all, living things are different from the non-living things. So about these characteristic features, we'll learn in detail in next video. Thank you.